Harold Albertson, known professionally as Jack Albertson, was an American actor, comedian, dancer, and singer who also performed in vaudeville. Albertson was a Tony, Oscar, and Emmy-winning actor. For his performance as John Cleary in the 1964 play The Subject Was Roses and its 1968 film adaptation, he won the Tony Award for Best Featured Actor in a Play and the Academy Award for Best Supporting Actor. His other notable roles include Grandpa Joe in Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory, Manny Rosen in the Poseidon Adventure, and Ed Brown in the television sitcom Chico and the Man, for which he won an Emmy. For his contributions to the television industry, Albertson was honored with a star on the Hollywood Walk of Fame in 1977 at 6253 Hollywood Boulevard. Albertson was born on June 16, 1907, in Malden, Massachusetts, the son of Russian-Jewish immigrants Flora and Leopold Albertson. His older sister was actress Mabel Albertson. Albertson's mother, a stock actress, supported the family by working in a shoe factory. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.